Hello everyone. We didn't better na phone chroma. And the topic we no. Ebeshe obia afeina obeko hospital fufuro. And as I walk hospital dada. But now refi kofa we bra now won't feel okay. Our hospital on. We saw that ebebo. So afeina obeko hospital fufuro. And as our first time I would call hospital so we saw that me video we me won yam nsia ebebo. So what they call hospital on ma be feeling more calm obi an stress so na one kasa oni achi. Okay, into number 1 your insurance card and also valid ID card. So you got a valid ID card, Ghana card valid. So insurance no so what's me a link ama Ghana card now but me the Ghana card no ko. But so insurance no na Ghana card now but me the me na ko. Me so insurance make sure say we renew and I say a now they go. 2 a referral letter. Referral letter say maybe we free hospital way and I will ba hospital way and as we free Kumasi. But now we je ayarishe Kumasi. Would you show Kumasi but be no as hospital no discharge now come back home. Mr. Let an hospital in the mountain. Fako akra would the call beche faka home nyoma na albekono faka home ko and as wa hospital we ya transfer is into me show to for hospital we so kwa faka home na fako 3 your previous medical records be wo ya rebi I o adansie so was I ya rewi o ba hospital me so faka home for bra and betray maybe yes I ya re na sisi ye maybe good na ye we ya na wo dey about hospital but so the way ne ba e be the reason why ya and I say same to cry otino eya we ya o ba fabra 4 medications that's your previous medications so maybe who da BP drugs who da yare drugs and more drugs bisa no so o ba fakam na fabra for window no fabra so window na e wo park mo anas e doso boxes am so twa 2 phones ba fa chere doctor no beti ase but so ultimate the bar meso fabra fakam na fabra 5 meso faskasha ho ba hospital faskasha ho enye hospital ndo ina na insurance cover ndo bi wo no ma insurance cover this is what the skasha ho na the ba na ye chiro ma osokoto a who pay free hospital ni mo no ma mostly ya pharmacy ubetimi ato wondo no and also hospital ho no na etombi wo na wato because one to na ukasa wo kofi na ukota pipa na ide ma no betimi ayora wo be chiro pa this is most importantly first shan so about hospital 6 AGM so betimi a ba hospital adidi ansa na ba se baby wo free fee ntem na wontimi ndidi a from social bag mu for you no betimi to koko betimi aye oats betimi aye tea na wo dey show bag mu na wo dey aba edru bi wo honum na doctor de be ma wo be ka cho se didi ansa na wo dey ma wo nti se wo aduane dada wo didi wo yi wonsu wo dey anom wo feel okay wo te ho wo calm wo te ho no eno no kra no wo cramp na boost your confidence what I say nti betimi adidi because we need so much so much to be sure about hospital for you show back and I said it. Thank you for watching this video. So follow me, share, na like it. The next time it's me post here, it's me at here. I'm a lot more to give you. Thank you.